Hey there, YouTube users. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to report a YouTube comment on your PC. It's important to keep the YouTube community safe and respectful, so let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Select the comment you want to report. Step 3. Click on More, located next to the comment. Step 4. In the drop-down menu, click on Report. Step 5. Select the reason for reporting the comment. YouTube provides a list of options to choose from, such as spam, harassment, or hate speech. Choose the reason that best fits the violation. Step 6. Finally, click on Report to submit your report. And there you have it. You've successfully reported a YouTube comment on your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.